It isn't often that I get really excited about a free software tool that can really give you great insights into your target market, but UberSuggest is one of those rare tools that gives you value every time you use it, and you can use it for free. UberSuggest was created by Neil Patel, who's one of the top experts on online marketing, SEO, and pay-per-click. He does a lot of work on Google advertising as well as other advertising systems, and I highly recommend you follow him on Twitter, on LinkedIn, and other sites that he uses because he puts out a lot of great information and insights at the cutting edge of how to make money using online marketing. His tool, UberSuggest, has two really useful systems. First, it is a website you can use to do really informative searches on the domains that you want to track. I would recommend you use it for yours as well as every one of your competitors. They also have a Chrome extension. Now, most systems can load up Chrome. It's a great browser. But even if you only use it for this one application, it's worth doing. And so he gives you a free Chrome extension so that when you're online, everything you're searching, he will come back with a lot of great information. He'll talk about pay-per-click terms and how much it costs to use them. He will show you the social footprint of anything you want to look at. And it will also give you some insights as to how strong their site is. In other words, he gives a score of 100 to a site that has great SEO and a lot of traffic. And then he gives lower scores for things that you're missing. So it's a great way to evaluate yourself and your competition. You can also put in keywords that you want to find more information on, and he brings it back to you. So let's take a look at UberSuggest and see how it would help your business. This is UberSuggest, and if you look up in the upper right-hand corner, you can sign in with Google, and what it does is it lets you set up projects that you can then track your site or other sites and see what your overall footprint is. But what you do here in the box, and you don't even have to log in for it, is you can put in a search term or even a website domain that you want to track. So let's start with just Red Bull as a search term. And here's the result. You see the search volume for it. The SEO difficulty means how many competitors you're up against. Here's paid to get onto the first page and the average cost per click. You can then go down and it gives you keywords that are used by people searching for Red Bull. It'll show you the top content sites that they have. And it also shows you over here on the right their Facebook footprint and their Pinterest footprint and the number of backlinks. Backlinks are good because it gives you overall strength. So let's do redbull.com to look at a specific domain. And now it comes back with the traffic. You see the number of backlinks that they have. Domain score is really high. You can then look at the keyword rankings that they have. And here you get the top SEO pages that they go to see things about Red Bull. So it gives you an idea of some of the things that they're strong in, like guide to kite surfing, Pokemon cards around the world, bike jumping. They're very active in various sports that define their high-value markets. You then see the SEO keywords. You can also go down and do a site audit. You can do backlinks. You can do top keywords, top pages, and so forth. They'll also give you keyword ideas that might be something you would want to think about. So here is the keyword ideas for Red Bull. Also, their Google places where people are finding them. It tells you it's a very active site with a top ranking. And notice at the bottom, you can export it to your clipboard or export it as a CSV file. So you can put in different terms to see what is the best way to go after this market. This is the same site after I signed up. You'll see my picture up here in the right. I signed up for free on Google. You can then create a project and add the keywords that you want to begin to track your company or a competitor if you want, to really learn deeply how they do it. Do a different project for each one of your competitors, and you can see the differences and the similarities between what they are producing, what you're producing, and the social footprints that you have. By itself, UberSuggest gives you a lot of good tools to look at your site and your competition, and to also search out key terms that will help you build out your pay-per-click programs, as well as to learn the search terms that people are looking at and the pages that are attracting them for you and your competition. It's a great site that you can use every day to help better understand how there is a connection between the social pyramid and the different types of programs that are being offered by you and your competition. I highly recommend it.